Hello, I'm Wang Jingxuan. I'm a student at Beijing University of Technology, majoring in digital media art. In recent years, I've come to realize that design is not simply the creation of forms, but the organization of relationships between people and systems in real situations. My practice focuses on how services, through mechanisms and processes, can shape individual behavior and social interaction. My first project, Bubble Sense, is a feedback service built around eating behavior. The idea came from my own cycles of doubting and binging. Through repeated self-doubt and observation, I discovered that these extreme behaviors were not caused by a loss of willpower, but by a lack of stable physiological feedback. To address this, I built a clear feedback mechanism: physiological data collection, model computation, visual presentation, and behavior adjustment. Through ongoing interaction, users receive feedback and gradually recover a sense of the body's rhythms. Later, I realized that feedback mechanisms at the individual level can adjust behavior, but they can't address the structural relationships between people. My second project, GoGuru, extends the service to the community level. Cities threaten private space, leaving neighbors with little sustained interaction, and planned care confined to individual households. I created a community planned circulation service, integrating community organizations, residents, and social nodes. By combining online and offline collaboration, the system forms a cooperative network so that caring relations no longer happen by chance, but become a sustainable service. After building this system, I noticed that relationship building still relied on external incentives. When participation lacks feedback, motivation declines. In my third project, Rice Market, I turned to incentive structures themselves. I observed that when effort lacks immediate return, motivation dissolves, not because of individual willpower, but because value and feedback structures are too narrow. I redesigned the feedback loop so effort generates value within the system, and introduced an NFT-based mechanism to create long-term incentives, allowing participation to be sustained over time. Through this project, I have confirmed that design is not about correcting behavior, but about constructing service mechanisms that organize experience and action in real context. The meaning of service lies not in a one-time fix, but in building systems that can be run, maintained, and participated in. I'm applying to GSA's service design program because it aligns with how I want to practice design, building sustainable service structures in real situations so complex relationships can be organized rather than simplified. Thank you very much for listening.